Hello everyone, how are you all guys? So hope everyone is good and good to see you all through this video. Today what we're gonna see is how to edit the menu which is on header, and how to add additional CSS which will show up on the website. So without any further delay, let's dive into the session guys. Watch my first video. On that video I have shared you guys how to create this local software, and how to create the WordPress site on the local software. So please have some idea on my first video, and I hope if you guys watch the first video, so then only you'll be able to do this the how editing the menus and customizing the CSS. So alright, so without any further delay, let's start the site. So it started. Let's go to the WP admin backend of the site. Okay, it looks good. Let's watch the site for one more how it looks. So this is the site which we were working on last video, and we were editing some of the components in Elementor. So today what we're gonna do is edit this menu as super easy. So let's go to the backend of the site, go to the dashboard, and here you will see the appearance with the paint icon, paint brush or something like that, paint brush icon, yes. Alright, so if we go to the appearance, then go to the customize. So in everything it's this the default thing, there'll be a appearance and customize, and it's that appearance. So it's easy. So if we go inside it, so you'll see site identity, menus, widgets. So where you're gonna go is, so go to the menu section, go to the menu, and here you will see main menu, header, and here you will see all the pages which has been linked to this header. Alright, so it looks good. So what we're gonna do is, so let's add a new item and see how it looks. Okay, let's add something, colas. Okay, colas look good. So it's gonna be a custom link, so it's not a page. So let's copy this and go to this custom link, and link should be the colas, and the URL, let it be like, we are going to link it to the telephone, let it be something. Okay, good. So let's add to the menu. So here you'll see a button. So right, so it has been added to the menu. Here you'll see the colas button at the last of the menu. So let's save it. Before saving it, let's add a CSS class. Let it be colas. So this is the CSS class for that specific menu, which is colas. Okay, alright, it looks good. Let's publish it, then let's view it on site. Let's reload it. So here you can see the colas button. Alright, so this is super easy, and here you can edit the menus, and you can just hang around here and have play around and have some idea how to edit these menus and add a new items and pages, poster, landing page, categories. It's done. So you can add a custom link as well, so which we have done before now. Alright, so we have seen the how to edit this menu. So now let's move into the how to edit the additional CSS which will show up on the website. Okay, let's inspect this colors button, and here you will see my class which I was adding it before onto that menu section, colors class. So here you will see the colors, and here is the span, and let's edit this button on this inspect itself. So let's add a background color, something like better color, let it be brown, not good I guess. Let it be aquamarine, color be something like black is good I guess. Okay, good, and let's see how it looks. Okay, it's good, look good. And let's add a small padding to the button. Let the top be something around 10 pixel, and left and right, let it be something around 20 pixel. I hope it looks good. Let's try it and see. Oh, it looks good anyway. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just copy these attributes, copy it, and here you will see callers, and inside the callers there's a tag, which is the link tag, and inside the a there's a span. So we are just going to add this CSS. So go to this customize section and not the menu, so which we were working on before. So now let's drag and drop and go to this custom CSS and JSS. So every theme should have this. In WordPress it default it will be there, so go inside that. So in some website it will be like additional CSS, so here it is custom CSS and JS. So here you can add your additional CSS and JavaScript as well. So let me add my class callers, and inside the callers there was a tag and there was a span tag as well. So let me add the span tag as the child element, and let's paste the attributes inside this class itself. Okay, so it has come up here shown, and let's publish it and let me reload it. Okay, so see how it looks good, and let me do it one more time. Let me change the color aquamarine as something around like orange. Okay, let me save it, let me reload it. See, it's super good. And so this is how we work with the additional CSS as well. So you can choose your CSS class or using a selector. So it's super easy, guys. So alright guys, so we have gone through like how to add the menus and how to add the additional CSS on the website. So hope you guys are enjoying it, my videos, and please subscribe my channel and my videos, as like and comment. If you have any questions, please do comment on the comment sections. And in my next video we'll be working on how to add some new pages and linking it to the website menus, and how to add some meta title, meta tags, and logos and site icons as well. Alright, so that's gonna be my next video, and hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and please support my channel. And yes, so let's see you guys on my next video. Thanks everyone.